I just put $1,000 into a crypto prop trading firm called Breakout, which was recently acquired by Kraken, the crypto exchange. And just a few days later, I'm already up over $3,000 on one account and over $1,000 on another account. And I've been trading crypto for over 9 years. I've made millions with my own money. I've also lost millions with my own money. And I'm telling you this right now. If you're still risking your own capital in 2026, instead of letting a prop firm hand you $100,000 to a $200,000 account to trade, you're throwing away the easiest money you'll ever make in this game. So this video is the full no BS breakdown, where I'm going to discuss what crypto prop trading actually is, how prop firms work from the evaluation fee to the funded requirements to the profit splits. We're going to discuss why 99% of traders stay broke forever. I'm going to show you my exact rules that I follow on my trading accounts, and you're going to get a sneak peek into my dashboard. I'm going to share with you the #1 mistake that beginner traders make and how to avoid it. I'm also going to discuss why Breakout, that was acquired by Kraken, is one of the best crypto prop trading firms in the game right now. And then by the end of this video, you're going to have the practical guide to get started so you can start trading today by the end of this video. So comment 777 if you're feeling blessed. If you're feeling bullish, let's run it. All right, bull runners, welcome back to the channel. So what is crypto prop firm trading, and why is it one of the most effective ways to be able to grow a 6 or even 7-figure account in 2026? Well, imagine if a bank handed you $100,000 or $200,000 to trade with, and they told you that you get to keep 90% of everything that you make. If you lose, we eat it, and you only risk the test fee. Well, that's exactly what crypto prop trading is in 2026. It's the single biggest cheat code in the game right now that lots of traders are taking advantage of. You pay a one-time evaluation fee. So in my example, it's $1,000. And if you pass a simple set of rules, well, they give you $100,000 up to $200,000 of their money to trade. And you get to keep 80% to 90% of the profits. You can withdraw whenever you want in USDC. And the worst case scenario is you lose the evaluation fee and you walk away, or you try again. So the capital that you're paying for the evaluation fee is what you're risking. But the best case scenario, when you apply what I'm going to share with you in this video, you're trading with 6 figures today with 0 personal downside. So there's no more praying that your 10K account of your own money doesn't get wiped out in one bad week. There's no more watching, for black swan events, liquidating your life savings. You're playing with house money from day one. Now, that's not a dream. That's what Breakout offers, and it's one of the top crypto prop trading firms out there right now. And the fact that they were acquired by Kraken adds massive credibility. So that's the reason I sleep like a baby, no matter what the markets do, because I'm not trading with my own money. So here's the exact 4-step process that turns a one-time $1,000 evaluation fee into a 100K funded account. So let's jump on the computer and we're going to walk you guys through it live. And I'm going to jump into the back office to show you what their trading terminal is like and some rules to set for yourself. So that way you have a higher likelihood of passing their test. So step #1 is to buy the evaluation. Beneath this video, you're going to see a link. If you're on mobile, you can click more, or if you're on desktop, all you need to do is scroll down to this link right here. And when you click it, it's going to open up a page that looks just like this. Now you can either click sign up to create your account, or you can click start trading. It'll scroll down here to choose your account size. Now I personally paid for the 100K funded account one step just because it makes the most sense. But once you click start trading, all you need to do is fill in the info for your first name, last name, your email address for your account, and then the billing address. And then underneath order info, you're going to see either 1-step or 2-step. Now, I personally went with the 1-step classic 100K funded account right here. So when you click the account balance, just select 100K, and you're going to see the option under add-on where it says 90 to 10% profit split. Now, if you don't select this, if you pass the test, it's going to be 80% that you get to keep. So I'd recommend selecting the 90-10 split because the extra 10% makes a huge difference on a 6-figure account over time. And you're going to see the text that says got an affiliate code. Click here, just click that. Type in the code 777 and click verify. It'll give you the maximum discount. Now, quick side note here, everyone that takes this test that uses this code, it's totally up to you because that is our affiliate code and we do earn a small commission when you use it, but it also helps support value-based videos like this. So I appreciate you guys for using our code, and you also get a discount too. So if you like saving money, then just make sure to use it. Then you just select the boxes at the bottom of the screen, you click purchase, and then you can either pay with your card or they allow you to pay in crypto as well. And as soon as you pay, you're going to see right here, a few minutes after your payment, your valuation will be funded. So your account balance is going to load up. Right now, you can see this account balance is $102,000. The total profit is about $3,000 right now. So there is some open trades. And so step number 2 is to hit the profit target. So when you click the link in the description below this video, and you go to the main page where it says choose your account size, you can read the rules right here for the 1-step or the 2-step account. So because I'm on the 100,000 account, you can see that the 1-step goal to pass the test is to grow the account by $10,000, whereas the 2-step, you'd have to grow it first by 5,000, then you have to grow it by 10,000 for a total of $15,000. So the 1-step has a lower profit goal to hit, but it also does have a lower max daily loss and a lower max drawdown. Now I'm going to explain what that means so you can fully understand that. And if you want more details on it, you can hover over the question mark right here, and it'll give you more of a description on this. So the max daily loss simply means that if you lose more than whatever percentage it shows for the account size that you're doing in a single day, then you fail the test and you lose the evaluation fee. So that is your risk, is the evaluation fee. So let's say, for example, you lose 5% in one day for where your stop loss is set. That'd be roughly $5,000 of the 100K funded amount. And so you do have an extra percentage to work with for the 2-step, but you also have to grow your account by another $5,000. So keep that in mind. Now you can see under max drawdown, it's either $6,000 for the 1-step or $8,000 for the 2-step. And this is basically your maximum overall loss of your equity limit. So you can see right here in the back office, it says the equity is around $102,970 some odd dollars, and it fluctuates because this trade right here, which is a buy order on Ethereum, is still open. So this does trail your highest balance. So as long as your drawdown doesn't drop by over $6,000 on the 1-step account or over $8,000 on the 2-step account, then you should be fine. And I'll explain how you should set your stop losses so that way this doesn't happen to you, so you have a higher likelihood of passing the test. Now the leverage is auto-applied, it can't be changed, and it's up to 5-to-1 leverage. Now you don't need anything higher than that because that just adds excessive risk here. So there's 3 main things here: the profit target that you want to hit to pass the test, the max daily loss that is allowed on the test that you're taking, and also the max drawdown. Keep that in mind. Now, another thing to keep in mind is when you pass the test, you can withdraw your profits anytime. There's unlimited payouts, multiple times per day, and you can pass the trading test technically in one trade if you want. Now, there is more risk to that, but there's also no minimum or maximum time limits here. So if this takes you 6 months, then it takes you 6 months. If it takes you 24 hours, it takes you 24 hours. Slow and steady is going to win the race here. Now, Breakout has specifically issued over 20,000 funded accounts since 2023 with 0 payout delays in all market conditions. So they've been battle tested, and they have over 794 reviews on Trustpilot, and they got 4.8 out of 5 stars. So if you want to join their Discord too, then that will be on the page through the link in the description below. Now, from all the other prop trading firms here, their rules are so generous that I'm taking it slow on purpose. Now, before I show you my specific strategy here, here's the single reason why 97% of people blow their evaluations on the first try. The main reason is they have 0 risk management. They see a 2% winner, they get greedy, they let it run, and they give it all back. Or they see a 1% loser and they revenge trade to get it back. So this is extremely important to remember. Breakout does not care about your daily P&L swing. They only care about 3 things here. Number 1, they care if you hit your 10% profit, which would be growing the account from $100,000 to $110,000. Number 2, you never drop more than 6% in total drawdown from your equity limit. And number 3, you never lose more than the max daily loss allowed for the account test. So in this case, it'd be 4% for the 1-step 100K account. That's it. Now, the internal data from prop firms is brutal. Losers average roughly 7 to 9 trades a day. So they're overtrading. They have negative risk to reward. They have no stop losses on half of their trades. Whereas the winners have max 2 to 3 high quality trades a day. Sometimes they don't even trade per day. For example, on this account right here, you can see it was started on November 7th, and there was a couple days where I didn't trade until the 10th. And then you could see there was 2 weeks where I didn't trade because there wasn't good setups in the market. So you don't want to force your trades. You want to apply what I teach you and then watch the trades come to you. So in this video, we're going to discuss what that means for your stop losses, your take profits for your risk to reward ratio, and my exact 3 rules to get into profit with 0 stress. So rule number 1 to be able to pass your prop firm trading test. That's never risking more than 0.5% of the account on any single trade. A lot of people, they'll risk 1%, 2%, or 3% per trade swinging for the fences. But you can see on all of these trades right here, this one right here, the profit was $700. So I was risking roughly $200 to $300 to make $700. This one, the profit was $293. So I was risking half of that or less. This trade right here, I lost $71. So the reward on that was going to be at least $140 or higher. So my risk to reward is set properly. This one right here, I made $1,000, meaning I was risking $500 or less, which is 0.5% of the 100K account. So if you set your risk to reward to never risk more than 0.5 percentage point of the account on any single trade, and you're not taking more than 2 or 3 trades in a day, then you're not going to hit the max daily loss in a single day, and you're not going to hit the max drawdown either. Now, rule number 2 is to never move your stop loss unless the trade swings massively in your favor. So here's an example of an open trade that I have right now. You can see it was a buy on Ethereum, and my stop loss is set right below the swing low here, and my take profit is set at $3,200. And if I just double click on the symbol right here underneath position, you can see where I have my stop loss and my take profit set. My stop loss is roughly $565.95 if the stop loss were to be hit, which is about 0.55% of the balance, whereas my take profit is set to make over $3,000, which is almost 3% of the balance. So you can see how my risk to reward is drastically in my favor because I make sure that I have a stop loss set every time and I have a take profit set every time. Now, what do I mean by moving your stop loss? Well, I would not touch this stop loss unless this trade drastically swings to the upside in my favor, but doesn't hit my take profit, pulls back a little bit, and then starts to consolidate in some type of triangle formation where I then could drag my stop loss below the recent low to make it a risk-free trade, but I virtually never do that because I'm a bigger fan of setting and forgetting on my trades, so that way I don't have to micromanage them. So once you set your trade, you just don't touch your stop loss unless you see a drastic swing in your favor only. Now, rule number 3 is to take profit at a minimum of a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, ideally a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. So if I were to enter into a buy order right here, let's say for example on Ethereum, I click buy, you're going to see the symbol, the order type, whether it's market, limit, stop, or OCO. And then you're going to see the lot size here. So if it's a buy order, I always want the protection on for my orders, meaning I'll always have a stop loss, I'll always have a take profit. So depending on where the price is, whether you're trading XRP, Ethereum, or Bitcoin, and if you're going to be longing or shorting, will really determine where you're putting your stop loss or your take profit. So in this example right here, let's say I were to put my stop loss at about $3,000. You can see that would take the percentage of the balance to be about 0.34%, and the projected loss would be about $339. Now, the take profit here, to make it at least a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, a 1-to-2 means I'm risking 1 to make 2. So I would take 343, multiply it by 2, and then I would adjust my take profit to be at least $680. So that would be roughly $3,069. Very nice. Now, obviously, there's some nuance points here to be able to get the best entry points. You don't want to just be blindly buying and blindly shorting the market, not knowing what you're doing. But this rule right here, setting a favorable risk to reward ratio for yourself, never risking more than 0.5% of your balance, and never taking more than 2 to 3 high quality trades per day maximum. Some days you're not even going to trade. That's completely fine here. The goal is capital preservation, and that's more important than profit generation, because if you can preserve your capital, well, you now have forced risk management here. See, the problem that a lot of traders have is they trade with their own money, they don't use any risk management, and they blow their entire stack in one black swan event. So I follow these 3 rules with no emotion, no revenge trading, no hoping, and if you follow these 3 rules, then you'll drastically increase your odds of passing the test. So write them down right now, because if you follow those rules, you'll be ahead of 97% of people who buy the test and blow it in a single trade. Now, a lot of people who've watched this far into this video will reach out to me and they'll say something like, Nick, these rules are gold, but how do I actually stick to them when the chart starts moving? How do I know when to enter long or short in the market? Well, that's exactly why I run a weekly coaching group with a small handful of people just like you. And it's called the Altcoin Pro Accelerator Program. I've been doing this every single Monday for the past 4 months. So every single week, you can see all the replays right here. And these go anywhere from an hour to 2 hours long. You can see the most recent one was over 2 hours and 8 minutes. And I'm breaking down this entire process for you guys live. I'm showing you my exact trade setups, my strategies, market analysis, where every single week I jump on a live call with you guys, show you what I'm looking at on the charts. I break down entries and exits for long and short positions. And also I do Q&A sessions at the end of the call where you can show up and get your questions answered live. Now, if you want in for those calls, what I'll do is I'll leave another link in the description below right here. You can go to accelerator.altcoinpro.com. I filmed a free training video for you guys right here, walking you through our SGS system, which shows you how to turn your holdings in crypto into passive income and then using those profits to then trade if you want to find 10x to 100x plays. So your principal never touches any risk here. So you're trading with house money. So these strategies we've been teaching our clients over the past few years, and you can go check out some of the results here as well. And this is totally optional, but if you guys are serious about trading in the markets and you're serious about never trading scared money again, then our accelerator program is where the magic happens. But the 3 rules that I just gave you will set up your foundation. Now, step number 3, they will hand you the funded account when you hit the target. So that's growing the account roughly from $100,000 to $110,000. Then you will have a live account loaded with real capital to be able to trade. Then step number 4 is you get to keep 80 to 90% of everything that you make. and you can withdraw whenever you want after you pass the test in USDC. And right now, you guys can go in the back office below, click on leaderboard, and you can see every single month here. For example, in November, you can see all of the users and their trading volume, all of the profit that they've generated on their account. So if I click on this account right here, I can see their lifetime trading volume, their funding trading volume. I can see the lifetime profit withdrawn. So this account has withdrawn over $101,000, which is 100x the cost of the 100K account. So even with a trading win rate of 22%, they've withdrawn over $100,000. So this isn't just 10x better risk management here. This guy has had 100x risk management here, because to pay $1,000 to be able to withdraw over $100,000 is pretty insane. And even this account right here is withdrawn almost $120,000. This account's withdrawn $86,000. This account's withdrawn over $242,000 in profit. And their lifetime trading volume is over $377 million. So Breakout right now is one of the best prop trading firms out there in the market, and the Kraken acquisition has helped massively with their credibility here, because Kraken has a valuation of over $20 billion as of November. In 2024, they reported $1.5 billion in revenue. They held over $42 billion in assets, and they had over 2.5 million funded accounts. So Kraken wouldn't acquire this company if they weren't legit here. So if you're serious about trading crypto the smart way, then use the link below, enter in the code 777 before the next video drops in this series, because I'll dive more specifically into the divergence trading strategy that I use that is super simple. Beginners can do it. You don't need any previous trading experience, but here's the reason why 99% of retail traders stay broke forever. And the main reason is because they trade money that they're terrified to lose. And so if they had one bad week, they're completely out of the game. And the reason why I love prop firm trading is because it removes that fear, where you can swing with bigger size accounts with zero personal downside other than the cost that it takes to take the trading test. So the worst case scenario is you lose the evaluation fee and you either walk away or you just take another test. There's no limit to the amount of tests that you can take. So the number one mistake that beginners make is they take their whole entire stack and they trade it themselves, especially if they have no previous trading experience. So that's the fastest way to go broke. I've seen it time and time again. Let's say you only have $10,000, or let's say you have $100,000. Instead of trading that all yourself, you would take $1,000, you would buy the one-step 100K evaluation test, and you let someone else's capital like Kraken do the heavy lifting. Because if you can't pass the test, then you shouldn't be trading with $10,000 or $100,000 of your own money anyway. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Why would you ever risk all of your own money? That's what poor people do. Then when Black Swan event hits, like what happened back here from the 10th of October, where the entire altcoin market dropped 25% in a matter of 8 hours. And a lot of these altcoins dropped even higher than that, 50%. And even if you have your stop loss hit, sometimes these exchanges don't register that, and it can go past your stop loss, completely liquidating your portfolio. I saw that happen to so many traders where their whole entire account was blown, even though they had a stop loss set, just because of what Trump tweeted about China and tariffs. So whether you want to call it an orchestrated event or just a liquidation domino effect, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. The key point is this: even the most experienced traders that were trading with their own money got liquidated. So this is why it is more important than ever before to never trade with your own money. Prop firm trading is the best way to maximize your upside while minimizing your downside risk. And with Kraken backing Breakout now, there's no payout worries like a lot of the newer prop firm exchanges. They have some of the most trader-friendly rules in the industry to pass the test. And they have a super high profit split up to 90%. And their trading terminal is pretty easy to use. So the people who click the link in the description below this video, they're the ones who look at a concept like this and say, why would I ever risk my own money ever again in trading? Because the worst case scenario is I lose the evaluation fee instead of getting liquidated on some crazy Black Swan event, trading on some unregulated exchange. And because you're smart, you understand that right now. So use the code 777 for the max discount on your evaluation fee. And when my next video drops, I'm going to be discussing my exact divergence trading strategy that you can be able to leverage to make money in crypto, even if you have no trading experience, you're not tech savvy, or you only have an hour per week to be able to dedicate to this. So hit the bell, subscribe to the channel to see that. That way you don't miss it. And as always, you know what to do. Stay bullish.